Chris, today is April 18th here. Uh, I want to share some pictures with you guys right here. Wait up. As you see, okay, around 800 million people around the world have no access to safe water to drink. For many others, it is a normal thing. Bottled water is the most popular drink in the United States, but many problems come with the drink. Some cities have only bottled water, as the pipes for tap water are too old. Bottled water is much more expensive than tap water. At the same time, tap water is safer, and bottled water has a very bad impact on the natural world. A factory usually needs 3 liters of water to make 1 liter of bottled water. Also, to make bottles, it is necessary to burn oil. To make bottled water requires 2,000 times more energy than tap water requires. Difficult words: number 1, access, the rare possibility to have something. Number 2, tap, a device through which water comes in homes. Number 3, required, which means need. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I hope, guys, you can get well soon, even if we, kind of like are in a pretty much bad situation right here. I hope God will bring us the pretty much safer world. Peace. Thank you so much. I want to say goodbye to you guys right here. My name is Chris. If you do like my video or channels, just describe my channel or videos. Thank you so much. Yeah, have a good day. Bye bye. See ya.